You are moments away from knowing exactly what the financial markets are doing and where they are going next. Independent investors like yourself don't need to feel isolated and smashed by the financial conglomerates. You can be ahead of the curve and position your investments for supercharged profits. So many individual investors feel as they had to drop their hard-earned money in a black box, then stick their head in the sand and cross their fingers hoping things go well. And that's how they become victims of any recessions, downturns of the economy, and various financial vagaries that cripple retirement accounts and a lifetime of savings and hopes. But now listen here, and you'll see how you can exactly know what is happening in the markets, competently select and easily implement the appropriate strategies that will skyrocket your financial results. You can switch from chaos to achieving large profits. You're watching this video because you know how important it is to have practical, easily implementable ways to significantly increase your investment's profits and manage the ups and downs of these notoriously unpredictable financial markets. And you want much more than comments based on yesterday's news. You are investing in the stock market, you're curious about options, you look for more reliable investment methods and successful trading strategies. You want solid methods to trade stocks and exchange traded funds, such as the Qs, the OEX, the Spiders and the Diamonds, and possibly the new field of commodity-based ETFs. And you're in the right place here. Outpaces Investment Institution is designed to give you all that. Over time, the Outpaces Investment Institution has been delivering accurate and timely reports on stocks, stock sectors, international stocks, and emerging markets, has monitored the effects of crude oil, gold, and metals, assessed relative performance, market trends, and most importantly, has focused on stock selection and delivered accurate trigger points, allowing to achieve great investment results in the extremely difficult turns of the economy the world over. This is vital data for the achievement of financial success. For instance, based on the analysis we published in November 2007, we were able to not only protect our members from the major market downturn that followed, but also profit greatly from the plan we devised and implemented to face the ensuing bear market. And then, when everyone was totally overwhelmed by the so-called unexpected market crash and could only see more destruction coming, we identified the turning point in May 2009 and profited from the bull market we experienced since. So if you are looking for proven ways to vastly increase your investment returns, want to confidently manage your portfolio and benefit from diversification, if you suffered losses and want to quickly recover your money, then you want a solid action plan. You want clear indication of what is best to do next. You want detailed steps to take on a path that's going to be making a lot of money for you. So what is the Outpaces Investment Institution? Outpaces gives you tested ways to position yourself for profit at any time and in any market conditions. You won't be just hoping that things go up. You know exactly what to do to get the most when things do go up, as well as when the markets turn down and clubber the uninitiated public. With Outpaces, you can rapidly build a diversified portfolio, investing in all major market areas. And the portfolio will be designed to your likings. You can choose from industry sectors, countries, and specialty markets. You can play it safe or evaluate a variety of other options, without the pressures of any hidden agendas. You will start profiting handsomely even from small initial investing capital, obtain peace of mind from fully controlled risk, and instantly create a brisk and very solid flux of income and profits. Think what you can do with all this. Like everything else in the investment world, it's not going to be always and absolutely correct, but this is where you get very high probability notifications of upcoming opportunities and a thoroughly tested action plan that has a very successful track record and is extremely easy to implement, with minimal time requirements on you. The Outpaces Investment Institution gives you advanced analysis based on technical and fundamental analysis custom tools. A reliable approach designed to work out all the traps and accidents of the investment world. This is where you learn how to properly manage your investment capital, how to get the best out of your money, and finally get full control of your financial situation with outstanding financial results that will change your life for the best. How does the Outpaces Investment Institution work? As an Outpaces member, First of all, you will be receiving weekly updates of the current status of the markets. And no, this is not a bunch of comments on what has happened, only based on hindsight, which is what keeps the public in the dark and the financial establishment ahead of the game. This is where you see where the markets are more likely to point and what is the correct posture to take, bullish, bearish, neutral, for highest profits. You also get a summary of the current portfolios and their results. But that's just the first step. Most importantly, as an Outpaces member, you receive real-time, actionable notifications of the upcoming opportunities, usually several times a week, as soon as they are triggered. These are described in email alerts that specify all the details of new opportunities, including entry price range, stop-loss levels so that you can always control exactly your risk, and full details for the order to send to your broker just in case you need it. With this information at your disposal, you can quickly decide which opportunities you want to follow and be immediately on your way to unprecedented profits. If you want to experience this wonderfully effective approach, please follow the links provided below. Don't delay. Take advantage of this totally risk-free offer that you're getting from viewing this message. You can join now with no charge to you and immediately start receiving all upcoming trade alerts and notifications. You'll be quickly appreciating how powerful this approach is, and thank yourself for taking the opportunity to test it. Your payment will be submitted after your first free week, and in a few days, even investing say just a couple $1,000, some of our trades may have delivered to you $200 to $1,000. When you are on the right side of the market, you can consistently and reliably look forward to 10 to 50+% profits in the short term. And in any case, you're fully covered. If you feel this is not for you, you can easily and promptly cancel your subscription. No questions asked. All risk is on us, and you get all the benefits from joining Outpaces and start making great money. Join a community of very happy investors that can smartly and safely ride the markets and benefit greatly from it. Click the button below. Do it now.